This is Czar, recording and mix engineer in Nashville, Tennessee, and this is why I switched to Studio One. So when I first started using Studio One, I told myself this is great for beginners, and then the more I used it, I told myself this is great for professionals. I fell in love with the workflow immediately. There's a lot of stuff that Studio One does that makes me say, how come no one else thought about this? The innovation, even a year later, the Melodyne integration is still mind-blowing. The stock plugins, I really love the stock plugins. I own plugins from Waves, Softtube, McDSP, and the more I use Studio One, the more I find myself using the stock plugins. And I'm very pleased with the evolution of Studio One. It's came a long way. Version 1, I said, okay, this is cool. Version 2, I said, okay, we're getting there. It wasn't until the features added in version 2.5 that I said, okay, I can use this as my full-time DAW now. And the upgrade path for Studio One has been cheaper than any other DAW I've owned. I bought Artist for $20 on sale, upgraded to version 1 Professional for $99 on sale, and then to version 2, $99 on sale, and then 2.5 was free. Coming from Pro Tools, I was paying $300 every time to upgrade, and I've already spent less than that and upgraded Studio One twice. So those are a few of the many reasons I switched to Studio One.